What an amazing push up as far as internet computer is concerned. As you can see right now, we are trading above $8. We are trading at $8.23, and we have had a price appreciation of about 3%. So now technical analysis shows that we are still not really out of the danger zone, because we are still technically lower than the previous high, which is obviously bearish. And this is one of the reasons why, in order for us to sort of be clear and understand for sure that okay, we are definitely going to be having more room to the upside, we are supposed to sort of defeat this particular bearishness right over here. So where's my rectangle? So as you can see right now, we are trading in this particular range, and trading in a range is a very boring part of trading. It's very repetitive, and it just isn't really fun at all. So as you can see, right, as soon as we go above this particular high resistance of around $8.50, this is the only resistance that we have before we can clear the path to around $10. So once we get to defeat this particular resistance at this level, which is obviously coming from this particular bearish order block right over here, then we're good to go. I know for a fact that you really want to make a lot of money, and you want to make life-changing money investing in cryptocurrencies. And this is one of the reasons why you have to be part of my trading group. So the fees are pretty cheap. They are affordable. $500 one-time lifetime fee, and we are guaranteed to make 200% profit monthly. We also specialize in meme coins. We find and create meme coins on Pump.fun, Solana, Base ecosystem, and we find meme coins that are under 5,000 US dollars as their market cap, and we definitely know how to market these. We also have trading consultations and tutorials where new beginners, intermediate, pros, etc., can have a one-on-one consultation with experts, and you can be given examples and tutorials on how to intensify your trading and how to be a profitable trader. So remember, only 500 US dollars. Email that email on your screen right now, 2019 next up at Gmail, and just say you want to be part of the trading group. Let's make money. So obviously, in the past few 8 hours, right? Take a look at the 4-hour time frame. We've had very good, bullish candles. We've had very good upward momentum, as you can see right over here, right? The yellow line is the VWAP, the volume weight price, and this is what we've been experiencing. We are having a lot of buying power coming through. There's a lot of bulls coming through. Now the main question remains, are we going to be able to go above this particular resistance? If that happens, then we don't have any rejection. We don't really have a lot of hurdles before we get to $10. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying we have to keep an eye on BTC, because the price of BTC right now is a little bit dicey. It's a little bit uncertain as far as Bitcoin is concerned. So if the price of Bitcoin is going to go to 73,000 US dollars, right, then obviously we're going to see a massive breakout as far as internet computer is concerned. However, if the price of Bitcoin goes to around 67 or even 65,000 US dollars, right, because there's a probability that the price of Bitcoin could have a slight retracement to 67,000 US dollars, then potentially 65,000 US dollars. If this happens, then we're obviously going to see the price of ICP come to this particular low level once more. So it's either we go back to $7.80, and if the bearishness continues, we might potentially drop below $7 or close to $7, which I have been preparing you guys that this is absolutely one of those possibilities that could happen. And then when that happens, we're obviously going to be mooning till the end of time, because I really believe these are the last opportunities for us to get ICP sub $10. So as you can see right over here, there's a lot of things that have been happening as far as the ICP ecosystem is concerned, and a lot of good stuff have been happening. BOB is up by about 25.5%. We are also seeing other cryptocurrency projects such as Ghost, Chat, which is open chat, the social media platform, Discord, all that good stuff, right? It's about 7.65%. So Boom is up by about 14.52%. And obviously we've got a lot of losers as well. Dark Maga is down by about 20%. Wombo is down by about 47.7%. Overall, the ICP tokens are okay. They're doing very, very well. And of course, it's a very small project in comparison to other cryptocurrency projects that you guys already know of, Solana, Base, etc. But this is a very good start. And we are currently seeing a lot of buying power, which is obviously a very good indicator. A lot of volume is coming through from a lot of these big exchanges such as Binance. So I really believe we are beginning to see a lot of interest coming through as far as ICP is concerned. So all we got to do is just pray for some more adoption. If we pray for some more adoption, and if adoption comes through, then obviously ICP is going to do extremely well. So far so good. There's a lot of bullishness coming through. However, the fate of the price of ICP at this particular moment, when it comes to the breaking of this particular resistance at around $8.60, right, depends on what Bitcoin is going to do. So keep a close eye on Bitcoin. Personally, I really believe we're going to have a slight retracement as far as Bitcoin is concerned, but we might drop to about 67, then further push to around 73,000 US dollars, because Bitcoin has got the next resistance at 73,000 US dollars. So there's going to be a slight pullback as far as Bitcoin is concerned, which is also going to drag the price of ICP a little bit, So in case we don't end up dropping lower, it's all good, because we obviously bought a lot of ICP right over here. So the people that watch my YouTube channel on a daily basis already know what I'm talking about. So far so good. There's nothing to fear. There's nothing to worry about. Everything is all good. So my question to you is, I really want to get some amazing projects on the ICP blockchain. So please let me know, what coins should I be epping in? Is it too late for me to get into BOB? Do you guys have canisters? What are you looking at right now? Because we need to get in early. The earlier we get in, the more money we're going to make, because that's the only way you get to make money investing in cryptocurrency. So yeah, that's all I had for you guys. Hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and all that good stuff. So talk to you a little bit later. In 2017, I warned you. I told you that the price of BNB was going to do more than 100x. Price of BNB was only $2.66. Personally, I invested in Binance when it was around 30 cents to about 60 cents. Now take a look at the current price of BNB as it stands 7 years later. The current price is $598, almost $600. So I told you back in the day that this one was a winner. Take a look at the market cap of BNB back in the day. It was around 266 million US dollars. If you do not believe me, go to my YouTube channel, find this video, and watch and listen to the conviction that I had, because I knew exactly what I was talking about. This comment is obviously 7 years ago, and this one was saying, in 3 weeks from now, you will be laughing at this price. Thank you for the foreshadowing. All right. Now, this is a very interesting comment. If you do not buy now, you will lose out. I bought when it was 28 cents and it was never dipping that much. So take a look at this. Megascan did follow my advice. He bought at around 28 cents and his life was obviously amazing. It has been amazing, and obviously his life was changed due to the fact that I recommended. What the hell was I doing in 2017? How come I didn't buy 50,000 BNB? We have another example of somebody who didn't take my advice, right? So he was saying, stop hyping things too much, and then saying we should not take this as investment advice. Two faces. Well, I guess he didn't get to invest in it. And yeah, take a look at this. 2 years ago, somebody said, how sad now, ha 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 ha. So everybody was pretty much laughing at him. So ladies and gentlemen, just like I told you, right, I know how to pick some very good projects, and I know what I'm talking about, because I've been trading for a very long period of time. And this is one of the reasons why I want you to join my cryptocurrency trading group right now. You need to be part of my trading group, because we are definitely going to be finding and trading the best cryptocurrencies, and we're going to be making around 200% per month. Why do I say 200%? Because we have the capability of making about 10% per day. 10% per day in 31 days is definitely over 200% per month, conservatively, guaranteed. The other important thing about our trading group is we understand the meme culture. We understand how to deploy projects on pump.fun. A lot of you guys have been hearing about how people are making millions investing in cryptocurrency meme coins. Do you know that it's not really by chance that those guys are making millions? They have a system. They get in projects early, before these projects are even more than 5,000 US dollars as the market cap. By the time you guys are getting to invest in a lot of meme coins when they're about 70 million US dollars, guaranteed, a lot of people have already made millions of dollars. So this is one of the reasons why we invest in cryptocurrency meme projects under 5,000 US dollars as their market cap. And this is one of the reasons why you definitely need to be part of a community that has got people who've got buying power, who've got the technical know-how, and who understand these things. Lastly, we also have trading consultations and tutorials. So let's say, for example, you're an absolute beginner, you don't know anything about trading. We do have those one-to-one video consultations, tutorials, etc. So the most interesting part about all this is it's only 500 US dollars, and you only pay this one time. It's a lifetime fee as long as I'm alive, right? This is the only money that you're going to be paying. Let's say, for example, you have a $1,000 account, right? And you pay the 500 US dollars. Did you know that if you are even remaining with $500 by the end of the month, you're going to end up making 2,500, which is absolutely worth it. This is a very fair price, and due to our expertise, our team, and our dedication, 500 US dollars is absolutely nothing. So this is one of the reasons why you have to take action right now. Do not be like these guys who sort of didn't really get to believe in me when I was talking about buying Binance coin in 2017, 7 years ago. A lot of these people missed grand opportunities. So this is one of the reasons why you have to be part of an amazing trading group, amazing people, and just basically bump your portfolio to new heights. So in case you want to be part of this amazing group of ours, all you got to do is email me. This is the email 2019nextapp@gmail.com. Remember, the fee is only 500 US dollars. It's a one-time lifetime fee. Let's make this money.